The topic of today's video, how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet. Alright, so here we are in the Coinbase app, and what we want to do is scroll all the way down till we see transfer. Now here in transfer, we want to click on send crypto, and then we want to jump over to our other wallet and go and get our wallet address. So here for Phantom, I'll click on receive. And then obviously I'll click on Bitcoin, not Solana. And then you just want to go in and paste that wallet address into Coinbase. And now you'll see once you've selected your wallet that I have no assets, but you will have Bitcoin available, or you can search for it. And once you click on Bitcoin, they'll ask you how much Bitcoin do you want to send. And once you're done there, you want to click on confirm, and it'll give you a full review of the cost breakdown. And all you need to do is accept that. Make sure you have enough funds for sending. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.